Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today we will do eggs Benedictine. As a favorite to many, and I would like to show you my version of eggs Benedict. To do that, today obviously what I will do is we have an English muffin, right? And I have a brioche. So very easy. So today we make it a little bit, if you want to impress your guest a little bit, yeah, you take a cutter, make it all uniformed, so we cut it nicely out and we have a beautiful circle like that, right? One more time. Done. And then a brioche as well, you can use any brioche, I mean dark one or just plain one. Same thing. And of course, now we have to toast these babies. So we put it in our toaster. Okay, I think the settings are okay. Give just a light color. While this one, we're doing our poached eggs, of course. So we're coming over here, and we have already our simmering water, yeah, with vinegar in it. And we're poaching our eggs, which I showed to you guys in a previous clip of mine. So we give the water a little bit of motion. Yeah, we put the egg in a bowl. One. We'll maybe do 3 eggs today. 2. 3. Okay, so they will go for 3.5 minutes. That's 60 gram eggs. So we let them just simmer for that moment. Now comes as well to the next big part, Hollandaise sauce, right? Now Hollandaise sauce, yes, you can do in your Thermomix, you can do with your quick hand blitzer. I want to show you as well a version, like I used the byproduct today, which is the basics. So you still can do a little bit of a touch to your liking. I use other dash of Worcestershire sauce in mine, yeah, a few drops, and I put a little bit of lemon juice on there as well, just a little bit, yeah, and a touch of salt, a little bit cracked pepper. And you're making out of a basic product a much better product. So that's our sauce Hollandaise. We keep that just warm. That's all what we do, right? And then our poached eggs here, yes, they're coming nicely. But as I said, the 4 minutes are not over yet. Yeah. Okay. While they are in the water, we let them just sit there. We're coming over here. Look how our muffins are going. Yeah, upsala. Okay. Oops. Okay, so what we're having here today, what I will use is one, obviously, the normal standard version. Is we're having our ham. We want to do the ham obviously the same size like the muffin. Yeah. So this one you can have later on for breakfast. We're putting the ham on here, putting this one here for the moment, and for the muffin one, for the brioche one, I use a little bit of spinach. Yeah. Here we go, and we use a little bit smoked salmon on here as well. So here we go. That's our base, right? Now these 2 babies we actually transferring over here, because later on we put a poached egg on here and the sauce Hollandaise, right? So one moment. Let's come over here. Have a look at our poached eggs. How they doing? We do a little bit. Yeah, they still need another 30 seconds. Yeah. Okay, so we're taking out our poached eggs. Yeah, we just let it drain off a little bit here on our cloth here. Okay, poached eggs. Yeah. Then we're putting the poached eggs, obviously, nice and gentle on here. Make sure it sits nicely. Yeah. This one as well. Here we go. There's one part. Now we're using our sauce hollandaise. And we spoon it nicely over our egg. And what I do now, if you can, we just give it a quick flash under a grill. So we make sure everything is nice and hot. Yeah. Okay. So we just leave it here for 1 minute and then we do the presentation. Okay, so we have taken out our eggs Benedict from the salamander. So we're transferring them nicely on our breakfast plate. Yeah. So one is with the English muffin, one is with the brioche, spinach and smoked salmon. Yeah. And then what I prepared as well is a little bit of some items to go along with it. What I did earlier on is I sorted on beautiful cherry tomatoes from my garden in fresh butter, right? So we can use this one with some green asparagus. Yeah. So this would be one option. Look at that. Yeah, this looks very nice. This is one setting, yeah, for our breakfast. And then we have the other version. What we can do is, so I used beautiful field mushrooms as well, sorted on in butter, yeah, with some thyme from my garden. We use this one here, nicely done. We maybe use just a wedge of avocado. It goes along with it very nicely. We'll just take this one off like this. Easy done. Bring this one on here as well. Like that. And then of course we finish everything off with a little bit chives. A little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit over here. And have a look at our beautiful two version of eggs Benedictine, right? This one we have with English muffin, ham and the poached egg and green asparagus, or sauteed field mushroom with a fresh avocado on a brioche and smoked salmon. And on that note, so easy. For your next surprise for your breakfast guests, thank you for joining me on ChopChopChef for eggs Benedictine. See you next time.